Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Rebirth in My Hair. So I wanted to share with you guys this DIY Aloe Vera Rose Water leave-in treatment that I use for my hair. It not only adds moisture, but it adds great nutrients to my hair. And I just wanted to share with you guys how I make it. So yeah, stick around. So the first step is removing the pulp from the aloe vera stem. You can use a knife to do this, but if you're safety cautious like myself, a spoon will work just fine. Now, depending on the amount of treatment that you are desiring to make would depend on the quantity and the sizes of the stems that you use. I used about 2.5 medium-sized stems. Next, I boil 1/4 cup water with a 1/2 cup of rose petals. And once that is done boiling, I let it cool down a bit before I even added it to the aloe gel. Now, you guys know that I love adding oils to my hair products, so I used tea tree oil, about 3 to 4 drops of that, and then I used my handy dandy go-to oil of all time, castor oil. I used 1 tablespoon of that in this treatment. And then I blend. Now, you want to blend until it is smooth, but if you have some pulp left behind, it is totally okay, because then you're going to use your handy dandy sifter or strainer to leave behind what you don't want. Next, I'm going to take that product and I'm going to add it to this little jar. But like I said, to keep out the product that you don't want, you want to use a stocking net. This is what the product looks like after it has been done and processed. Now I'm just going to demonstrate how I use it on my hair. So I have my hair sectioned off into 5 puffs, and I'm going to generously spray that product all over my hair. I keep saying product, I meant to say treatment. And once I've done that, to keep all the nutrients and seal in that moisture, I then go in with my hair oil combination. I do have a video on that. If you would like, you can go check it out. I was just really amazed at how it defined my hair, even though it is multi-texture. I was kind of like blown away, and then I just comb it out. So that is all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it. If you are planning on trying this treatment, comment me in the comment section below, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Okay, bye guys.